Are you being watched? Every time you go online, you leave a digital footprint? But don't worry, I'm here to share some simple tips to help you protect your online privacy. Let's get started. First up, strong passwords. Think of your password as the key to your digital castle. Don't use your birthday or password 123. Mix it up with uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. The longer and more random, the better. It's your first line of defense, so make it a strong one. Next, be careful with public Wi-Fi. That free coffee shop connection is convenient, but it can be risky. It's like having a conversation in a crowded room. Anyone could be listening. Avoid logging into sensitive accounts like your bank or email when you're on a public network. If you must, use a VPN to encrypt your connection and keep your data private. Let's talk about social media. It's fun to share, but oversharing can be dangerous. Think before you post personal details like your home address, phone number, or your vacation plans. Go through your profile and ask yourself, do I want a complete stranger to know this? If the answer is no, it's time to delete it. Finally, dive into your privacy settings. Your phone, your browser, and all your apps have them? Take a few minutes to review and adjust them. Limit who can see your posts, control which apps can access your location, and turn off ad tracking. You are in control of your data. By taking these small steps, you can browse with confidence and keep your digital life secure. Stay safe out there. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.